I don't know how long it lasts because I'm not using it all the time, only like once in a while for quick pickups like it says. What is up, beautiful people of the world? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to do another amazing product review, and today's review is going to be on this easy, compact, cordless, quick flip Dirt Devil vacuum, handheld vacuum. So I already opened it, as you can see, and I've already been using it. Very nice, small, and compact. I like it so far. It doesn't have very powerful suction, but it does get the job done. It also has this little quick flip tool, which is kind of sticks. I haven't found it very useful, but I've only dumped this little canister once. It's not too loud, so it doesn't scare my baby. But overall, I don't know how much it costs. I got it as a gift, but I assume maybe 30 bucks. Hopefully not more than that, because I don't think I would pay more than 30 bucks for this. So let's look it up. I don't have a phone to look it up. So, yeah. Well, anyways, it has a filter you could take off the top easily. And then here's the filter right here. And it didn't come with any extra filters or anything. You see, it's dirty. There's all kinds of hair in there. We have carpet upstairs in our house, so I use it for up here. I used it for the bed. I've used it for the couch. The hole is kind of big right there, but it's still not super powerful. Let's look at some specs on it. It is rechargeable, so that's a plus. And it can do quick pickups, I agree. It is cordless. Let's see. I don't know how long it lasts because I'm not using it all the time, only like once in a while for quick pickups like it says. But according to the box, it might last doesn't really say. It just says longer running. Where do I do the charger? Here is the quick user's manual. Just trying to see if they'll tell me how long it's gonna charge. I mean, how long it could run for, how long a charge lasts. But I am not seeing anything in here, so I think it doesn't say. But the model number of this thing anyways is the good thing is it's not battery operated, or else that would get annoying. But it does have like a rechargeable battery in it. But what I mean by battery operated is like D batteries or C batteries. That would drive me nuts. But it's not, because I already said that it is rechargeable. Yeah, so not finding the model number on here, but this thing does say something about something. Where the heck is the model number? Oh, is it on the vacuum? Sorry guys, I just got done working out, so I'm a little tired and a little sluggish. Not to mention, I was sick. Not to mention I was sick a little while Oh, model number right here. Model number is BD30015. It's a vacuum cleaner, Dirt Devil brand. Overall small, handy dandy product, maybe 30 bucks. I'll insert price here and then you will know how much it is. But again, I got it as a gift. Anyways, that was a quick unboxing and quick product review of the Dirt Devil Quick Flip Rechargeable Vacuum. If you want something quick, maybe for your car, maybe for the couch, I would highly recommend it. Thanks, bye!